The Digital Detox quiz for kids. Hey there, before we learn to make smart screen time choices, let's explore the printable and interactive worksheets on Tutoring Hour. Visit tutoringhour.com for your daily dose of practice. Let's meet Maya and Lily. Maya watches cartoons on her tablet in bed every night until midnight and wakes up tired, while Lily turns off her tablet 1 hour before bedtime and reads a book instead. Who's making the smarter choice, Maya or Lily? Lily is making a smarter choice. The blue light from screens can make it hard for your brain to know it's time to sleep. Reading a book helps you relax and get better rest. Screens in bed is equal to tired mornings. Say hi to Aaron and Leo. After school, Aaron comes home, freshens up, then gets moving. He rides his bike and plays soccer with friends. Leo, however, dives straight into video games for 4 hours. Who's making the smarter choice, Aaron or Leo? Aaron is making a smarter choice. Moving your body is super important for growing strong and staying healthy. It also helps your brain feel happy and focused. Now let's meet Chloe and Emma. Chloe scrolls through her phone even when she's with her friends. Emma puts her phone away and talks face to face. Who's making the smarter choice, Chloe or Emma? Emma is making a smarter choice. Talking and playing in person helps you become a better listener and a more engaging friend. Real-life chats beat screen chats every time. Meet Zoe and Ava. Zoe binges super fast videos all day and finds herself completely bored when she tries to solve a jigsaw puzzle. Ava, however, enjoys a calm show or two, then happily spends her time solving jigsaw puzzles. Who's making the smarter choice, Zoe or Ava? Ava is making a smarter choice. Slower, creative activities help your brain focus longer. If you only watch fast-paced stuff, real life starts to feel painfully slow and uninteresting. Say hello to Noah and Sarah. Noah puts the tablet away and talks to his family during meals, while his sister Sarah brings her tablet to dinner and watches videos while eating. Who's making the smarter choice, Noah or Sarah? Noah is making a smarter choice. Dinner time is perfect for talking, laughing, and sharing your day. Screens at the table take away from family time and make a big mess when food drops on them. Let's go on a road trip with Evan and Hannah. Hannah spends her entire car ride watching shows on her phone. Evan, her little brother, plays I Spy, sings songs, and looks out the window. Who's making the smarter choice, Evan or Hannah? Evan is making a smarter choice. Taking breaks from screens allows your eyes to rest and your brain to engage. Car rides can be fun with games, songs, or just spotting cool stuff outside. Meet Sam and Chris. Sam finishes his homework and helps with chores before asking for screen time. Chris plays games all afternoon and then rushes his homework right before leaving for school. Who's making the smarter choice, Sam or Chris? Sam is making a smarter choice. Prioritizing responsibilities before leisure time is important for kids. Let's meet Aiden and Luke. Aiden gets invited to a sleepover but decides to skip it because he wants to finish a level in his new game. Luke pauses his favorite game when invited to a sleepover and joins his friends for a night of fun and laughter. Who's making the smarter choice, Aiden or Luke? Luke is making a smarter choice. Real-life fun with friends creates lasting memories and helps you feel happy and connected. Screens can wait, but special moments with friends can't. Here are Madison and Mark working on a school project. Madison keeps checking social media every few minutes, while Mark turns off his phone until his project is completely done. Who's making the smarter choice, Madison or Mark? Mark is making a smarter choice. Turning off your phone helps you focus better, finish tasks faster, and reduces stress. Get your work done, then enjoy your screen time. Up next, we have two families. Noah's family chooses one no-screen day each week. They go hiking, cook together, and play games. Olivia's family has no screen-free times, and everyone uses devices all the time. Which family is making the smarter choice, Noah's or Olivia's? Noah's family is making a smarter choice. Screen-free days help everyone connect and enjoy other fun activities together. Great job, everyone. Remember, keep screens out of the bedroom and dining room. Take screen breaks during family time and playtime. Make space for rest, creativity, and fun without screens. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational quizzes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning and making smarter screen choices.